mission for you today.
Really?
I've been thinking about this a lot, and since summer is approaching, so the color that I want is a honey blonde. Not copper, but you know, that golden hue.
Yeah, I think honey is very perfect for you because your hair, the reflect is honey already, okay? So if I highlighting that, I think it will be very, very, very good. You can imagine the highlighting around your face to highlight your face with balayage. And for the lens, honey beige, I think it's very, very perfect for you. Okay?
I love that.
We can keep your natural hair because it's very, very good.
Yeah, I like that too. That's exactly what I want, is a change, but still like keeping natural and beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so curious how this is gonna look. Let's go, let's do this.
Let's go! Now, the new trends are very warm, so you can use a lot of reflects to compose your color. We used to apply cold color for 10 years, so we have to change your mentality and your mind to create a new reflect. Golden, it's really a new blonde. A lot of hairstylists thinks a warm color is yellow, but no, you have amazing color in Koleston Perfect, in Shine Fidelity, in Color Touch with an amazing golden reflect. Today for my clients, I use Koleston Perfect. For this collection and this trend, Koleston Perfect is your best friend. To have a perfect blonde hair, you don't need to bleach. Koleston Perfect is amazing for that. If you use Koleston Perfect, you have a lot of options of reflects because you can keep the natural reflects and use different shades and different reflects as you want. My best friend to keep the golden reflect is Color Fresh Mask Caramel Glaze because the reflect is delicious.
This is not what I was expecting. It's better. I love it.
Really?
Yes, I love it. I love how lit up my face is. My eyes are now with this color. I'm so excited to use this, to really embrace this color now in summer. I think it's going to be amazing. I love it.
I love it too. I think this color is really for you. It's very chic.
It's exactly what I wanted. It's like a natural, nice, golden blonde, very natural, very elegant.
Can you see the reflect, the difference with the balayage and the different golden? I really love this color.
It's perfect.